It's 5:30 AM on a beautiful Sri Lankan morning and it's a poya. So today we're going to be taking out the 1750 GTV. Just about ready to get on the road now. Looks pretty amazing. Gishanka is going to be joining me. I've never been on this road before. Right next to, obviously, Mahindra Rajapaksa Stadium, because nowadays almost everything is. Stopped for a quick bunny break in God only knows where, and surprise surprise, the overheating has begun. RIP. Okay, we're even more in the middle of nowhere, and yep, that's right. Can you see the raindrops? My wiper blades tend to fly off at high speed, and we're getting on a highway, so yay! Oh, it's the first time the Alfa's going on the highway, so this is quite exciting. I've never taken it on here before, and did not expect to take it today. But she's been perfect so far, fingers crossed. We've made it back. People talk about Italian cars as unreliable. This car over here just sat in a garage for 5 months without being used at all. It did not move, it was just switched on once in a way. And it just woke up, put a tank of fuel in it, and it did 70 miles through mud, highway. Anyway guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all very soon on the Alice Trail.